Hello, beautiful people. Thank you for joining us. As you could see, this is our goat meat. If you have not watched how we got this goat meat, how we prepared it, is on our YouTube channel. So remember, in our last video, we prepared. We have already cut the other ones, so those ones are in the fridge. So this one we want to roast it. We'll be making use of our nets. So I want to, these are my ingredients I want to use to spice up the goat meat. This is curry, this is salt, here is ginger, garlic and onions, and this is our dry pepper, chili, cayenne pepper, and this is seasoning cube. And this is our goat meat. So this is our board. We want to use it to I'm doing this so that it can enter my nets. Stick. I can be flat. You can see it's very thick. So this is very okay. Just flatten. I'm testing this so that I'll know how it feels. So it's very okay. So it's time to spice it up. Time to spice it up. So time to spice up. So this is cayenne pepper, ginger, garlic, onions, seasoning cube, and curry. And salt. So we are done with the seasoning. We are going to leave it for 20 minutes to marinate properly. I'm going to cover it. We'll leave it for like 20 minutes to marinate properly. Please, if you enjoyed this video, kindly like, share, comment, turn on the post notification bell so that whenever we post a video, you'll be the first to be notified. This goat meat will be so delicious. If you have not watched our previous one, the one I did, that one, the method we used was quite different. How we butchered it is also quite different. So this is a different way. And if you have not watched our other video, why the one we bought the bad meat, you see, these days is very good for if you don't have the time to prepare. You have to find time to prepare your own food, because sometimes buying things from the market may not be too good. The last meat we bought, we have to throw it away because it's not good, it's smelling. So this is live goods. You can see yesterday when we prepared it, though it's a bit stressful, but it will help. This is like 40% of the meat, the 60% is in the freezer. So this one we want to roast it so that we'll have boiled one, roasted, to give it different taste in the soup. Subscribe for more videos. Mwah! So beautiful people, this is 20 minutes now it has been marinating, so I want to set up my fire. I have to wash my hand very well because I'm going back to the meat again. So it's time. So beautiful people, this is our goat meat we want to roast. So you can see the fire is about to ready. Let me wash my hand one more time. So fire is too much. We don't need too much. Just more. So beautiful people, this is where we are right now. We are done with loading the goat meat inside the net. This is the back. It is well secured, so very easy to once you put it. I reduced some of the charcoal because I realized that may be too big. So after like 10-15 minutes we'll be rotating it. So beautiful people, this is the next day and this is where we are. You can see though our meat has been roasted. So let me see. Here's our meat. So I want to open one side and see how it is. You can see. Crunchy. Please subscribe for more videos. So this will keep it, and we'll be eating it gradually. So subscribe for more videos. So as it is now, we'll be eating it gradually. Use it to prepare soup. If you like this video, subscribe, share, like, drop in the comment section what you think about this video, and don't forget to turn up the post notification bell so that whenever we post a video, you'll be the first to be notified. Bye bye.